This is the Step 3 video in my series on Past Perfect Simple. So make sure you've watched the Step 2 video because there you can find the practice exercises, and the Step 1 video with all the examples and the explanations. So in this video I'm going to go through the answers to the example exercises, to the practice exercises. Please click like if you'd like to see more content like this. Click subscribe if you'd like to see my other lessons, and you can request a lesson in the comments below. Practice exercise 1. Let's go through the answers. Number 1. She was angry because her husband something her birthday. Now for this one we need to use the verb forget, and the past participle is forgotten. The auxiliary verb is had, so the sentence is had forgotten. Had forgotten. She was angry because her husband had forgotten her birthday. Number 2 is negative. She something to the cinema. Now for this one we need to use the verb be, and it's negative, so the auxiliary verb is hadn't. So let's put hadn't with the past participle been. She hadn't been to the cinema for ages. Now the next one is a question, and it's about feeling sick, and the best verb is eat. So the past participle is eaten. Question: had, what had you eaten before you began to feel sick? What had you eaten before you began to feel sick? Number 4 is affirmative, and it's about an airport and a plane. So we need to use a phrasal verb, take off. So the verb is take, and the past participle is taken. So the plane had taken off. The next one is negative. The woman was a stranger. I something her before. So in this case we need to use the verb meet, and the past participle is met. So here we'll put met, and the question and the negative is hadn't. I hadn't. No, wait a moment. We have the negative already. The adverb is negative. Never. So it's I had never met her before. Now number 6 is a question. So he didn't want to go to the cinema, and the question is with had, so we'll put that there first. And then the verb we need is see, and the past participle is seen. Had he seen the film already? Number 7. Everywhere was white in the morning, snow something during the night. So the verb we need for snow is fall. Put that here, fall. So, and it's positive, so it's had fallen. Snow had fallen during the night. Now the next one is negative, number 8. He was hungry because he something breakfast. Now we've used the verb eat already, so we need to use a different verb, in this case have. So he hadn't had breakfast. He was hungry because he hadn't had breakfast. Number 9 is a question. I couldn't find the children, and in this case we need the verb go. So where had they gone? Where had they gone? I couldn't find the children. Where had they gone? So that's practice exercise 1. Practice exercise 2. Number 1. He couldn't walk because he's something his leg while skiing. Well, the verb we need here is break, and the past participle is broken. So past perfect simple, had broken. The next one is negative. She failed the exam because she's something at all. Now, it's an exam, so the verb we need is study. And it's negative, so the auxiliary verb is negative, so that makes it she hadn't studied at all. She hadn't studied at all. Now the next one is a question, and here it's about his birthday. So the verb we need is buy. And the question is, what had she bought him? What had she bought him for his birthday? The next one is affirmative. He had a hangover because he, well, in this case, drink. And the past participle is drank. So that gives us, no, the past participle is not drank. The past participle is drunk with a U. So, because he had drunk too much the night before. Number 5 is negative. He felt sick because he's something his medicine. So, medicine, you need the verb take. So, and it's negative, so the auxiliary verb is negative, so that makes it hadn't. And the past participle is taken. He hadn't taken his medicine. Now, number 6 is a question, and it's about somebody who has retired. So, we need to use the verb work, and that's regular. So we just add ed. And it's a question, so had he worked? How long had he worked there before he retired? Number 7 is affirmative, and it's about each other. So the verb we need is know. So we had, and the past participle is irregular, that's known. We had known each other for 5 years before we got married. The next one is negative. The fans were unhappy because their team, and if we talk about a match, then the verb is win. So, and then it's negative, so let's put the negative auxiliary verb, and then the past participle is won. Their team hadn't won the match. Number 9, it's a question. How far something before you stopped for a rest? Well, the verb we need is travel. And it's regular with ed, but we need to make a double L for the spelling change. Travelled before you stopped for a rest. How far had you travelled before you stopped for a rest? So those are the answers to practice exercise 2. So that brings us to the end of this step 3 video on the past perfect simple. So click like if you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe to see my other videos, and you can request a lesson in the comments below.